Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and western Cuba during the next several days. An Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system on Sunday, if necessary. Formation chance through 48 hours, medium, 40%. Formation chance through 5 days, high, 80%. The following weather reports were made at 9 p.m. Pensacola was cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point was 70, and the relative humidity was 69%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.87 inches and steady. Pensacola Naval Air Station, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees. 85. Meridian, cloudy. 82. Mobile, Alabama, partly sunny. 83.
Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Yeah! My first ES tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Harrison County in southern Mississippi, northeastern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bay St. Louis, moving northwest at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shoreline Park around 5:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Diamond at around 5:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Kill around 5:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi, Hancock and Harrison.
Whatever it was, there was some kind of electrical short.
Are you suing Ford?
Wind at 3 miles an hour. The pressure 30.04 inches and falling. And observations across the central Gulf Coast region. Hattiesburg, partly sunny. 86. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for Jackson County in southern Mississippi until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving off the Gulf of Mexico across Jackson County. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen on ground already saturated from previous rainfall. Some locations that will experience flooding include Biloxi, Ocean Springs, Moss Point, St. Martin, Escatawpa, Gautier, Wade, Latimer, Big Point, Helena, Gulf Hills, Hurley, Van Cleve, Gulf Park Estates, and Hickory Hills. Additional rainfall of 1 to 3 inches with isolated higher amounts are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Mississippi. Forecast flooding increased from minor to moderate severity. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for George County in southeastern Mississippi, eastern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday at 5:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lucedale, Leakesville, McLean, and State Line. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area over the next few hours. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: George, Mississippi,